Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I want to show you what I've done with my craft room. I've done some painting and added some pieces of furniture, and so I just kind of made it a little bit more comfortable for me. So if you want to see what's behind this door, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just gonna ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. All right, beauties, are you ready? Let's go ahead and go inside. This was before the painting, so I just kind of want to give you a quick glance of how it looked before. And this is the after. As you walk in, I added a side table with a chair and just made this a little reading area for myself. Even though this is a craft room, I did want a room also that was all to myself where I could perhaps write down my thoughts and also do some reading. So I also added a small table desk. And here is another angle of the room. You can see that my reading area is there just off to the side where the desk is located. And then right off to the right of the desk, I added these 4 cube organizers and I just stacked them one on top of another. The desk and the chair are just something that I just recently added to this remodel. Now this chair, I ordered it on Amazon and I know it looks a little bit different, but that's what attracted me to it. I think it goes perfect with this room. I love how it looks. It's very sleek and stylish. And the reason I chose to put the table desk right here in front of the window is because I wanted to sit down and just look outside and just collect my thoughts and just write them down. So I thought this was a perfect area for me to just get those creative juices flowing in my brain. Recently, I DIY'd this wall art, and I'll go ahead and link the video up above if you're interested. These cube organizers come in so handy to add pictures and just little things like that that you treasure. Like for example, this crystal that was given to me by a friend a long time ago, and I love it so much that I want to be able to see it all the time. This craft room was not just intended to craft, but also, like I said in the beginning, my own space. Now these 2 frames right here, I absolutely love. Now I purchased these about 2 years ago, and when I purchased them, I had a vision in what my craft room style would look like. As you can see, these frames have a mirror all the way around and they look very glamorous. These are actually Bible verses. This one says, "Finally be strong in the Lord and his mighty power," Ephesians 6:10. And this one says, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart," Mark 12:30. And then here is my crafting table, and this is where everything happens, where all my DIYs are created. And then off to the left, I have more cube organizers and then also a bookshelf. So let me talk a little bit about this craft table. Now I do have a video where I put this together and I'll link that video up above. Now the tabletop is actually a portable table. Now I really like it because it's made of some durable hard plastic. This was only going to be temporarily, but I ended up just keeping it because of its durability. And then to the right, I have my glue gun, my scissors, and all those things that I use all the time. And then I added the shelf here, and I found that silver camera at Ross, and I absolutely loved it for this shelf. And those letters that spell out create were originally when I first did my craft table. And then above my craft table, I hung this chandelier. I wanted to give this area just a glam look, and I think the chandelier did the job. I'll be listing in the description box all the cube organizers that I used. For my craft table, I use 2 of the 9 cube organizers. And for additional storage, I added 6 cube organizers, and I set them down long ways, and then I stacked one on top of the other. And for some shelves, I added this shoe rack that I also purchased at Amazon, and I'll list it below. And again, for additional storage, I put this bookshelf that I also purchased on Amazon. And what I like to do with this shelf is keep these baskets, and I fill them with the most recent items that I purchased at Dollar Tree for upcoming DIYs. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this craft room tour. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next project, bye-bye and God bless.